This week, when I entered into my kitchen, I saw that one of the switch cover is broken. And since I have got my own 3D printer, I thought, why shouldn't I fix it with my design and my 3D printing skills? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Third Dimension, where imaginations meet reality. So my name is Casper, and I'm gonna show you how I fix my switch cover in my kitchen using my CAD and CAM skills. As you've seen in my last video, I used 5 steps from designing, imagination, skills, and then 3D printing. I use all those steps again to make it possible to use my 3D printer to make the switch cover. It was a challenging one, I must tell you, because it was very hard and there was no dimension given. I was given a sample which I removed using a screwdriver, and then I started taking the dimensions lengthwise, widthwise, heightwise, and thickness-wise. Then I tried to make it in SolidWorks so that I can have a full sketched model of the switch cover. While doing this project, I use a very common method which is called scale. A scale method is very common in engineering drawings. Everybody uses it, and it is a good representation whether your drawing that you are making or whether your model is accurate or not. So there are basically 3 types of scale: full scale, reduced scale, and large scale. Full scale is represented as 1:1, which means that the dimensions of your model or your drawing in your computer is same as the real model or the model that we will make, which is 1:1. A reducing scale is when the object is too big and you want to put it on a paper so that you can show it to your customers or your fellow mates. That's where we reduce the big model into a small scale. Normally, the reducing scale is represented as 1:2, 1:5, 1:10, or etc. Enlargement scale. Enlargement scale is used when the object is too small and you want to make it a bit bigger so that your customer and again fellow mates can see a fully fledged drawing and they can understand what to do with the part and where to drill, where to tap, where to weld, etc. So I use the same method in my project, and I use the full scale method. Here you can see I have made the model and I have taken the printout in a 1:1 scale, which is full scale, and I am verifying all the dimensions with the switch cover that's been broken, just to make sure that all my dimensions and all the thicknesses, all the folds, all the fillets, they are similar to the already broken switch cover. So my very next step is to print it using my 3D printer. So again, it was a very charming to see my printer working and making my imagination into reality. It took 1.5 hours to print the switch cover, and when I tested on the switch, it fits perfectly. So I was very happy with the result. I also grind some edges with a sandpaper, and I used 320 grit sandpaper, which is very thin but effective on your 3D prints. If you use 320 or more than 320 grit, it will give you a smooth texture on your print, and it will give you a very fine surface which can look aesthetically good and pleasing. So guys, here we go. Once again, I have proved that if you imagine anything in today's world, you can make it a reality using some tools and some machines. If you like my video, please give it a like. If you want to see some more videos like this, please subscribe and please press the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. That's me signing off. See you in the next video.